Hello everyone, welcome back to our new video. In this video, I will give you more information about the top 5 best home sewing machines that are available on the market.
I made this list based on my personal research, and I tried to list them based on their price, quality, durability and more. To find out more information about this product, you can check out the description down below. Okay, so let's get started with the video.
Starting at number 5, we have Singer Tradition 2277 Sewing Machine. The Singer 2277 Tradition features 23 built-in stitches including a fully automatic one-step buttonhole. This lightweight, basic sewing machine boasts an automatic needle threader, adjustable presser foot pressure, adjustable tension, extra high presser foot lifter for thicker fabrics and multiple layers and adjustable stitch length and zigzag width. This machine comes with an accessory assortment that includes 3 presser feet all-purpose buttonhole button sewing for all your basic sewing needs. Included accessories: all-purpose foot, buttonhole foot, button sewing foot, pack of needles, bobbins, thread spool cap, darning plate, L screwdriver, seam ripper, lint brush. Moving on at number 4, we have Genoa Mystical Mint Basic, easy-to-use, 10-stitch portable, compact sewing machine. This line of machines is designed for entry-level, beginning sewing and quick-fix projects. Offering multiple stitch options, these machines are perfect for kids, dorm and apartment living, and traveling. It tackles household sewing tasks including hemming, mending, crafts, scrapbooking and paper crafting, etc. Once you master the basics, it may be time to move on to more full-featured models like the Genoa Colorful Series, Arctic Crystal, Blue Couture, and Pink Sorbet. In order to achieve the best stitching results, fabric weights, quality of thread, tension settings, and checking your proper threading both upper and lower may be necessary to ensure the best stitch results. At number 3, we have Singer Start 13046 built-in stitches, free arm best sewing machine. With the Singer HeavyDuty 4452 sewing machine you can get professional results in no time. The extra high sewing speed of 100 stitches per minute means you can plow through projects 30% faster than a standard sewing machine. The stainless steel bed plate enables smooth fabric flow and the heavy-duty interior metal frame ensures skip-free sewing. 4 bonus heavy-duty optimized accessories included: even feet, walking foot for layers of fabric, non-stick foot for leather and vinyl, a 5-pack of size 16 needles, and a clearance plate for thick seams. Plus a variety of must-have accessories are included with the all-purpose foot, zipper foot, buttonhole foot, button sewing foot, seam ripper, lint brush, quilting guide, needles, bobbins, screwdriver, auxiliary spool pin felt are all conveniently located and stored in the accessory tray. A soft-sided dust cover is also included in the packaging. At number 2, we have Lattice Sewing Machine 12-stitch household handheld Tailor electric small sewing machine. The sewing machine comes with a variety of accessory feet including an LED lamp, the foot pedal, metal threader and thread cutter, locking metal presser foot. Even beginners can easily use it to meet the needs of household sewing according to the instructions. With 12 stitches functions, the sewing is ideal for garment construction, decorative stitching, heirloom sewing, and quilting. It meets your different needs of DIY sewing, and is also great for those with small homes or limited storage. Equipped with a pull-out type invisible storage drawer, the accessories are not easy to lose, easy to take, the machine is precise and compact, and the handle design is convenient to move. And finally at number 1. Brother Quilting Machine. The Brother PQ1500SL Quilting and Sewing Machine is a fantastic machine that belongs in the sewing room of every serious quilter and seamstress. The PQ1500SL is a high-speed straight stitching machine that produces lightning-fast sewing up to 1,500 stitches per minute. It also features a push-button automatic thread trimmer that allows you to save time without compromising the quality of your sewing projects. The inclusion of a built-in needle threader makes threading simple and time-saving. The Brother PQ1500SL Quilting and Sewing Machine also features an adjustable pin feed mechanism that allows you to exchange the use of the feed dogs for a single pin that cleanly extends from beneath the machine. This moves all layers of your quilt together or moves a delicate velvet without leaving feed dog marks in the nap. 4 additional feed dog settings allow for maximum fabric control, while a knee lifter and bed extension table are added for quilting. The Brother PQ1500SL also features a full-range foot pressure adjustment and an automatic thread cutter with a FAST needle threader, which is a huge time-saving convenience. This machine is additionally backed by a 25-year limited warranty with free technical phone support for the life of the product.
Thanks for watching. I hope like this video. If this was helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question about this product, you can comment down below. I will back to you as soon as I can.